Hello everyone! In this video, we will prepare and then install your Delta X HS sensor, which is designed for monitoring soil moisture. Before installing your sensor on site, you must first prepare it. Start by removing the cover of the Delta X by unscrewing the 4 screws with a T20 screwdriver. Be careful not to remove the cover marked "Do not open." Next, remove the battery, then reconnect it without paying attention to the color of the wires. Carefully note the serial number located inside the sensor. You will need it to connect the sensor to the FEELBAT application. Put the cover back on, making sure the sealing gasket is properly positioned. Press down on the cover, then screw it back in place without over-tightening. The screws are only used to keep the cover in place. Next, download the FEELBAT mobile app, available on Google Play and the App Store. Then add your sensor. Stay nearby and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. The sensor must be within 30 meters with no obstacles. Please note, without a Linkfeel token, data will only be synchronized via Bluetooth. To activate remote connection, you must be connected to the sensor via Bluetooth. You can refer to the video dedicated to activating the Linkfeel token, available in the description of this video. Now let's move on to the on-site installation. Use the mounting templates to mark your reference points. Using a hammer drill fitted with a 10mm bit, drill at the mark points to a depth of about 6 centimeters. Be sure to remove the dust thoroughly with a blower bulb. Insert the wall plugs, then drive them in with a hammer. Position the bracket, add the washers and screws, then tighten them using a T25 screwdriver. Now place your sensor onto its mount. Insert the screws and tighten them with a T30 screwdriver. Make sure to orient the label "Do not open" upwards to optimize signal reception. Next, connect the humidity probe to the sensor. Wrap the cable around the casing to prevent any damage. Insert the probe into the designated hole, about 1 meter deep, then carefully refill the hole. Before leaving the site, remember to reset the data from the app. Your Delta X HS sensor is now connected, configured, prepared, and installed. Have a great mission.